Mbio anto benda kuone.
Yeah, we have an experience that was not good in our home because one of the officers, an AP officer based at Ngoroki Post, disappeared from the post and came to our home and eventually hanged himself. But on inquiring, we learned that the officer was mentally unwell and they had already called the family members so that they can come and take care of him. But we really feel it's the responsibility of the government to know what to do to the secret officers. It is really sad to the community because such an officer is really a loss to the society and the government at large.
So, that's enough.
Niyogo kwe kubwa Felix Nkinga Munywa, Muligini, Belenji, Elumasa Bulokesani, Mala Sub-County, na Ndwadara Kanyidi. Niyongo kira. Nkene karo abo kwa nambe kaliro kere. Dajere na nusu. Mwalo akwadize kugitangira ng'ombe lyalya. Nilo ambelire kwe mtuona. Ndamuria kaliku ambera aliwa raundi mujia. Leo niyo shokire tuona mtwa au mudokera akienda kumutunya kibanga ninkena kuruka huko nutundali wakuwe nkena dungira nyomba nkena ingira nkena ambelia kugambu leo niyo tokwe ingira huko utebonge nchokire kumenya
enyumani after wasoka
ale niko tebe nchokire kumenya onando na yi alutu antamuona na ntamwije
kwa murakoju asuria atio kwae
ni askari wangoroki aepi na talo kinya na ntemwije nonto de mugwa mukolo amyaka itadili nando akanidwa angoroki na ndi muono ku ninde ndota wa Felix wa Munywa bitagwa Harriet Kinyua na nika ndingirwe thimo nde skuru nde ya laka sana kandambi ya kuona kore bura wekarekaga ntwemberirwe kwe mtu wekara takai na nkomano ku enganaga ntu mujie aina kibanga enderia mbukire enderia ndingirwe thimo ngeririe go contact Koblo wa Ngoroki Post ambira nikaba guswa mtu nonto bateko menya kathire riko nironkinyire mujie ndethero na Koblo ukinya tweterera mpaka ona DCI beja kanda bakava whatever was happening na tiga tu in shock to that tutai tukuthira shock nika tumakite mpaka thaino lakini on the behalf of the family and the community at large nete kwegwa kwino batu bwa the government of this country to take care of such officers whom they claim that they are mentally sick because they can be very dangerous to the prevailing community. We also faced another challenge where they took a long time before they picked that particular body because they lacked a vehicle. So it's the responsibility of the government to see to it that they are provided the materials that are needed so that it's really a trauma to the family, especially to our elderly mother. And not only to her, to the village at large and the community at large. So it's the responsibility of the government to do all what is expected of them. When you look at these officers and you think of an officer who is unwell, and having done such an act, it is really sad to the community. Because what we expect of them is service. And therefore it's the responsibility of a government after someone has been trained for some time to take care of them even when they are unwell. Thank you. Koringa na askari ugia suririe gwetu mujie na ni untu guti mtu inkira expected na twilani from the twigwata ripoti ati aturaga ati kuigua wega ona jiari bongo na baraithetire werukire beja kumwira thibitari na twaraithirio ogu ni tukuona muntu ai mulwaru na akirutaga wira thirikari ni batie mujukiri yone njira iria aingitetheka either athi aruthirwe counseling kana ageragio kwarirua kana njira ingi ya mwanya kana kairwa cibitari kanda omba gutetheka tutikagia gitendo takiuka ile kiri in our community nontu antu ba kwigua bari baurire ni inya muno na thayo nontu bontu bou na nitujukirie kagita muno nontu ugwatwika gitendo kiu gikarikire kuma thaa 3 na mpaka up to kukinya around thaa 6 thaa 7 mwiru utari mujukie ni trauma ni gintu kia kumaka muno na askari batwirire gitumi atari mujukie ni kwithirwa batari na ngari era impumichuka na aria babangi abungwa barairito kotini kwa nayo no tukuromba thirikari one post iria kwina ntu thie na ngari ya kurutaga wira arakaiwezekanavyo nontu ona bathiete amaguru baishwaga muntu ura imuru ona bura untu bomo muno nontu baikanda kithaka na bate ukinyanga kuria baringirwa thimu
na mbeta wa mawela ngumete wa eluma family no kabale asole ba kwa ndingelo dimondelwa kwena dene ya umela kwena mtu ankomeja na kibanga no kambe jilende dela na weke ingilite baba bakiwa mbuna baale nkinyona stage ya hola memelo ndeja nkina jokia tu ya kudigweta ipinda bela nikukwale nkobela nikukwale ba dinapo bakimuselaye kidakani tugigasoka twasoka tugikinya na unda ndadi ko betange kinyanda soka ndedela na yalale esulia alale esulia na kwa na wae pia ugire gutena dena bakamenya bo bakalota. Thank you.
Ba utwika na kambi kwingatia baba kore around kana
reu okay bejire batonya nyomba ona bate ko realize akuguru kwa ko mkwira wa kwina dena ne bo bonire classes ile ya na ala bono na yete akeduaga bakina tamukanga nyomba ba utamukanga nyomba batamukire nyomba no tugakwenda ko batunya kibanga ruba gukira gutunya kibanga baula kona ke bakina tonya nyomba bakina amberia kugambu na ni leune leo nkinyire ndedera ne ingirite na bo balali baingana gikonji kiki akaja reu twamenya elungu atiomba kuma na nkina jokia tu reu ya kodi gweta epi ngedi gweta epi ndedera na bogoteo enao nonto na bo balali badi ko museria nyo tuigire tugicoka kaire twendera na mamwa ene ndi agukinya mamwa eko kirugo lwala leo edela omage suria na ona kwegwa la amberia kwigitanga au na baba confirm.
I and my colleagues went to Ngoroki and we confirmed truly he has committed suicide. Yes.
How was the scene? Sababu like alikuwa ametoka mahali na kaka enda kwa wenyewe.
Yeah, the background story that we are getting is that this officer left his place of duty and went to a nearby village, and what do you call it? I don't know, and he committed suicide there. Yes. This officer had some accidents before, and he was amputated due to that accident. It is true, he was amputated, yes. About suicide, you know, sometimes suicide is something very unique. It's caused by, you know, a desperate attempt. Somebody maybe want to escape from problems which he feels unbearable. And there are some other factors which contribute to this self-murder, that is suicide. Well, desperation is another factor. Drug abuse, and maybe somebody, you know, interpersonal relationship is some of the causes. Anyway, if we talk about suicide, those are some of the contributing factors. Yes.
Are there any?
The plan, I think the plan is in place. Even ourselves, or the managers, anybody who shares his problem with us, we always cancel them. So cancelling begin from here.
Kwa sababu nichukue